Please smell this and tell me what you think.
Food, sweet drinks, peppers,
Bill.
paprika.
If you guess spices, seasoning, or herbs of any sort, then you are correct. Spices and herbs have been used in our lives for many and many centuries. Without it, food would not be the same. As the Spice and Herb Bible by Ian Hippo writes, enhancing substance in a small proportion to give a particular taste sensation in the overall meal. So something small as such spice or seasoning can drastically change the meal. As a culinary major, I study and use spices on a daily basis. And after further study, I have more knowledge about it. We'll go over the three basics of herbs, spices, and blends. Let's first start with herbs. Herbs have been used in majority dishes as a garnish or even as one of the main ingredients. Herbs are fragrant leaves or parts of certain flowers, of certain plants, according to the University of Delaware studies. One of the main ways to tell if an herb is a herb is whether it is dry or not. Here are the four basic herbs used in many dishes. First, we have basil. Basil is widely used in many Italian dishes, and it is a garnish frequently seen. Next, we have cilantro. Cilantro is most commonly used as a garnish in Mexican and Asian cuisine, and it has a strong bold taste aftertaste. Next, we have dill. Dill enhances the taste of sauces, dips, and salads, along with fish dishes. It is most commonly used to make pickles. Next, we have mint. Mint, also known as spearmint, is used to make sweet dishes. It's also known for its refreshing taste. Along with garnish herbs, we have medicinal herbs that are beneficial to the body. Studies done by University of Rochester Medical Center shows that medicinal herbs have great natural benefits to the body. There are a couple examples. First, we have kamali. Kamali is a floral herb that is helpful for anxiety and used to make the tea version. Next, we have ginger. Ginger is a very popular root herb used in many cuisines for its healthy benefits that helps with nausea and motion sickness. Now that we've gone over the herbs, let's move on to spices. Spices are another part of many dishes. It is also just as important as herbs. Spices are made from bark, berries, flower buds, roots, or seeds, according to the study of the University of Delaware studies. One of the main ways to tell whether it is a spice is whether it is dry, and spices are dried. Here are a few top examples of most commonly used spice. First, we have black pepper. Black pepper is a main staple in the majority of households. It also pairs perfectly well with salt. It has a strong, bold taste and makes a great addition on lots of dishes. Next, we have cinnamon. Cinnamon is a sweet type of spice that goes with a lot of desserts. It has a fantastic scent and also makes a great pairing with savory dishes as well. Next, we have cayenne pepper. Spicy dishes are most reliant on cayenne pepper for its spice. It has a great bold taste and can be used in a variety of spicy dishes. Cayenne pepper is made from red pepper that is dried and crushed. And so herbs can also become spices. Here are a few examples. We have dried thyme, used in lots of Italian, used to flavor meats and stews, and it also provides a good flavor to vegetables. Next, we have dried rosemary. It is used in a lot of French and Mediterranean cuisine, and it was most commonly cooked with steak, adding a good aroma and taste to it. Now that we cover both spices and herbs, let's look at how they might be paired up together. Spices and herbs are distinct in their own taste, but combined they can make an indefinite amount of combinations. There are a few common spice combinations that are used commonly in many households. First, we have Chinese five spice. Chinese five spice is made up of star anise, cinnamon, cloves, Szechuan peppercorn, fennel seeds, and fennel, essentially just fennel seeds after that. It is used in lots of Asian cuisine, adding a nice flavor, full body flavor to many dishes. Next, we have Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning include basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, garlic, and red pepper. It is used to make lots of sauces, and essentially the ones you would eat in pizza, the pizza sauce. Next, we have everything seasoning. Everything seasoning contains white and black sesame seeds, along with poppy seeds, dried onions and garlic flakes, and flaky sea salts. It's a very well-known blend used in lots of bakery items, such as everything bagels, or in dish such as avocado toast. Now that I've gone over everything, today I have discussed the significance of both spice and herbs and the combination of both. These three items are what gives all our food its flavor, and without them, life would be very much boring. There's a saying that goes, a little goes a long way. Only a sprinkle of the right seasoning can make your life a little more interesting.